In order to customize sidebar apps on POCO M8 5G, first we have to open the sidebar, and here you need to scroll pretty much all the way down in order to find this plus button. This allows you to choose whichever apps should be added at first on top of the sidebar, and you can choose up to 10 apps. And the downside of this sidebar is that you cannot really choose only apps of your choice that will be visible on the sidebar, that will be accessible through the sidebar, meaning that once you scroll through your list of apps, then after that you will find suggested apps. So in this case, I'm just gonna fill everything in. Let's say I'm gonna add all these 10 apps. We can tap on done. And if I open the sidebar and if I keep scrolling, you will see that at first I can see apps of my choice, but after that I can see some other apps that are suggested by the sidebar. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.